Hi, my name is Tyler, and I am going to be making a DIY football trophy with one of these footballs. So, the materials you would need, obviously, a foam, just a rubber foam football, and all right, Jack's behind the camera. So
Hi, how's your day?
So he's doing some weird stuff. You would need a what is this? Thumbtack.
Thumbtack.
A thumbtack.
Don't stab me in the hand, please.
And you just go like that. You would need a top to a plastic container. It would be nice if you had one like this that had this little indent right here. And a plastic box of your choice. Big, small, whatever. Assemble it yourself. And some scissors. I'm using safety scissors.
You're a safety kid.
No, I'm not. And so right now, let's just make the hole. So Jack gave me an idea where you can go like this, really close to each other. But I'm just making an outlining right now. That fit? No, it will not. So we need a little bigger. Bigger one. That fits, sure, why not? So you get your safety scissors. And just see this hole? Just go. And then you just put this in. Make sure it's all stable. It is not. So make the other one like that. Just go like that. But, you know, it wouldn't go like that. So you get your little plastic thing. Go like that. There's a pre-hold made right here. So, and you can just work your way through so it's a little even. Just work your way through that. Then stick this in there so it's weighted. Like that. And get your football laces up. And line it up with this if you have one. Just go like, boom. So you have your spinning football trophy. So just subscribe and like this video and share. Bye.
Toot out.